When you're charged with a criminal offense and you retain a lawyer, the first thing the lawyer is going to do is request a complete copy of your disclosure from the Crown Attorney's Office. Now, what is disclosure? Disclosure is all of the evidence that the Crown Attorney has against you. The police have done an investigation. They turn over all of their documents and investigation and evidence to the Crown, so the Crown has that. And then the Crown is supposed to turn over you all relevant documents, any evidence, photographs, witness statements, police notes, investigative reports, you name it. I could go on and on and on about what types of things are in disclosure, but it's everything they have. And a case by the name of Stinchcombe from the Supreme Court of Canada from quite a few years ago, many years ago, it defined what's relevant and what should be provided in disclosure. Sometimes we have disagreements with the Crown about what that is. So for example, I will get the initial disclosure package from the Crown and recognize that there's missing disclosure and write the Crown. And the Crown may agree and ask the police to provide that because it hasn't been provided to them yet. Or they may say, look, that's not relevant. It doesn't meet the test of even slight relevance. Now, bear in mind, disclosure is both relevant in your favor or against you. It all has to be turned over. So if the Crown and I can't agree on a piece of disclosure that they're saying is not relevant, that's in the police investigative file, which I want the entire police investigative file, and we usually get it, by the way, the entire file. But if we're disagreeing over something, then we need to bring an application in front of the judge, that's defense counsel, to argue that this piece of disclosure is relevant as well and should be turned over to defense counsel, and the judge will make that decision. But anyway, this is a very powerful tool to be able to properly defend yourself in Canada, because in the years before Stinchcombe, what we were receiving from the Crown was very uneven. This is even before I was practicing a long time ago. So sometimes you'd just get a sketchy investigative file and get very surprised by certain witnesses at trial when you couldn't anticipate what the heck was going on in the case. But that's all changed, fortunately. We still have our agreements. It's not a perfect system, but for the most part, it works well. So defense counsel and their client can know everything they're facing to make intelligent decisions about whether to proceed to trial or whether to resolve the case in the client's best interest, because either A, they're completely guilty, they can't win, or the risks of going to trial are too great. That's how disclosure is helpful, and it's a great tool for us to use in Canada and to properly defend clients. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.